The course Psychology for Health and Well-being is a generic elective course which is skill-based, applicable in all the semesters of BA Psychology Honours under the choice-based credit system of University Grants Commission. Over the years, there is an increased emphasis on mental health since the evolution of mental hygiene movement in mid-19th century. This course will enable the learner to explore concepts of mental health and to distinguish the same from mental illness and appreciate the significance of mental health promotion. On completing the course, students will be able to understand the spectrum of health and illness for better health management. Moreover, the students should be able to develop a critical understanding of what is meant by mental health, mental well-being, and explain how biopsychosocial factors shape and determine mental health and well-being of a population. It will be also of great help to students of psychology to enhance their skills and skill-based knowledge.